Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I will not be analyzing any charts. Usually, I do not prefer to work on Sundays, but I have been receiving many questions, queries regarding the upcoming workshop. As a result, I thought that I should make a dedicated video on it. So, first of all, those who have attended the previous workshops, you all don't need to attend because the content will remain the same. And my dear friends, again, I would like to clear that this workshop is not for complete beginners. If you do not know about charts, if you don't have any idea about support resistance patterns, then this workshop is not for you. I have designed a workshop only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. Those who are struggling mostly. That's why you will find a questionnaire on the website. I will not be explaining what is PIP or what is spread on the workshop. And due to time difference, okay, you don't need to worry. Okay, many people from around the world cannot attend. So I record each and every session. And one more question I face is that why the price is so cheap. The reason is that, okay, my journey was also not very easy. I have shared everything on the website. If you go through my story, you'll understand that it took me 3 years because I could never attend any workshop because those were very pricey. And most importantly, uh, when my sister passed away, died around 3 years ago, and my father passed away around last year, I understood one thing very well, that money is not the most important thing. Money is important, but money is not the most important thing because I had the resources to save my family members, but still I could not. I didn't get a chance. So giving a meaning to life is very important. So I'm just trying to uh, bring some change to the world because I do not want traders to face the same problem that I had to face. Okay, so that's why I have kept the fees very low. In fact, I used to teach for free a couple of years ago, but one thing I understood that free stuff is not respected. So as a result of which I charge a nominal fees right now. Okay, that's why you don't need to worry that you'll be receiving bad stuff or recorded content. No, the workshops are live interaction goes on, so nothing to worry. And one more thing I would like to add here is that those who are looking for signals, this is not the right place for you because I have stopped providing signals. And the reason is that probably you all have not seen any person who is profitable, okay, with signals. And usually we always blame the signal provider, that signal provider is bad. Okay, so when I used to provide signals, okay, my accuracy was around 70 to 80%, around 75. Still people used to blame me with their bad signals. Okay, when one trade bad, two trades were going bad, they used to blame me. And as I said, okay, you will not come across any person who is profitable with a signal service. And the reason is that we should not blame the signal service. Okay, actually, it is because of our bad risk management. Okay, we lose money in the market, and this is the main reason. Okay, I have stopped providing signals, and this is only for learners, those who want to take up trading as a serious source of income. Those who are looking for signals, you should look for services online. You'll find plenty of services. Okay, and as you can see that the workshop the workshop is conducted in both Hindi and English language. So हिंदी में भी होता है, इंग्लिश में भी होता है, तो कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है. ओके, कोई हिंदी के लिए मेरे को रिकॉर्डेड सेशन नहीं चला, मैं ही आता हूँ. ठीक है, यस, हिंदी मेरा मातृभाषा नहीं है, लेकिन स्टिल मैं ठीक ठाक हिंदी बोल लेता हूँ समझाने लायक. एंड एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन ऑन द वेबसाइट दैट राइट आफ्टर द 3 days workshop I will be providing support for 1 month. So what will I be providing? So I will be adding you to the WhatsApp group. Right after the payment of the nominal fees, I will be adding you to the WhatsApp group, and you will be receiving regular market analysis updates, trade setups, weekly sessions, classes, many things, many things. So everything I have mentioned here, 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. So these are the benefits that you will be receiving, okay, receiving from the group. Okay, and those who are wondering about to boost the learning, we have a separate live signal group. Yes, we have a signal group also, okay, where two of my students provide signals. Okay, and sometimes I also do, but do not come for signal service. This is the wrong thing to do. Okay, and this is the curriculum. Okay, so on 3 days, what are the things you'll be learning? And after the workshop also, okay, there will be some weekly classes where you'll be learning many things. And I have I have mentioned few topics that you'll be learning, because learning is a never-ending process. And what are the payment options? Okay, before the payment options, I would like to mention that you can see here, fees is only $15 or 1,000 rupees. And Hindi classes will start from 17, 18, 19. Time is 6:30 p.m. IST. Many of you are confused regarding IST. IST means Indian Standard Time. Indian time जो होता है. Okay. So Hindi classes शुरू होने जा रहा है, will start from 17th only, and English classes will start from 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. Again, I'm repeating that all the sessions are recorded so that okay, you do not miss anything. Okay, and right after the payment, okay, I'll be adding you to the WhatsApp group. Okay, and the classes are conducted via Google Meet. I'll be providing the link, the class link, before 5 to 10 minutes only. Okay. And apart from that, we also have a very active Telegram group where you'll find traders from around the world. They share their ideas, ask questions. Okay. And that's it, I guess. These are the payment methods. Okay, and sadly, apart from all this, I do not have any other payment methods. Many people from Africa, Bangladesh, they are unable to pay those countries. Okay, and from Pakistan also. Okay, because there are no PayPal. Okay, PayPal doesn't work in Pakistan, Bangladesh, and I'm extremely sorry. Okay, actually, I do not accept payments through crypto. I do not have much knowledge about crypto, and crypto is heavily taxable in India also. Okay, so right now I have UPI, bank transfer, and PayPal and Skrill. So these are the only methods that I have right now. And maximum I can send a separate invoice so that you can pay through debit card or credit card. Okay, if you do not have PayPal. And those who are looking for annual membership, okay, you can sign up for annual or semi-annual membership. Why annual membership or semi-annual membership? Okay, let me explain. The reason is that, okay, as I said, okay, this is for serious traders only. And as we all know, okay, that trading is something that you cannot learn within few hours or few days. So if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, okay, if you really want to stay in touch with me, if you really want to get all the benefits of the Pro Trader program, like daily updates, trade setups, okay, then obviously the annual membership or semi-annual membership will be very useful for you, because you don't need to do the homework. I'll be doing for you. You just need to check your WhatsApp. And in semi-annual and annual membership, as you can see, that you'll also get live personal one-to-one sessions with me. Okay, so everything is very affordable. I have kept everything very affordable, okay, so that everyone can grab the opportunity. That's it. Okay, hopefully I have answered almost all the questions. And anyways, welcome. Bye bye, take care, and see ya again after 10 to 12 hours with the charts of gold, euro, USD, and hopefully GBP USD. Fingers crossed for the market. Bye bye, take care.